Hello, grade 7, and welcome to session 4 of our lesson, which is Triangles Case of Equality Part 2. In Part 2, we are proving equal triangles. So, starting with exercise 13, which is page 46 and 47. In each of the following cases, state whether the two triangles are equal and justify your answer. So we have to say, are they equal triangles? Yes or no, and why? If yes, by which case? If no, why? So let's look at these two triangles. Can we prove these two triangles are equal? You can't say these two triangles are equal because they have same shape. Yes, if they are equal, they must have the same shape by definition. But we have to say why by proving. Okay, so are these two triangles equal? Look, I have 3 equal to 3, 70 is equal to 70, and 5 is equal to 5. So yes, these two triangles are equal by side, angle, side. So now let's move to part B. Are these two triangles equal? I have side equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side, and this angle is equal to this angle. Then, can I say these two triangles are equal by side, angle, side? What can you say? Yes or no? Of course, no. If these two triangles are equal by side, angle, side, the angle must be included between these two sides. So this angle must be equal to this angle. But in this case, these two angles are equal. They are not included between these two sides. So these two triangles are not equal. Why? Why are these two triangles are not equal? Because the given angles, these 40s, are not included between the two equal respectively sides. This side is equal to this side is equal to this side, but the given angles are not between these two given sides. We are saying side, angle, side. The angle must be included between the two equal respectively sides. So in this case, these two triangles are not equal. Now let's look to part C. Are these two triangles equal? I have 90 equal to 90. Here I have 50, here I have 40. I don't have equal angles, but look, I have two angles. Can I find the missing angle here? Yes, I know the sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. So make 180 minus 90 plus 50. So here I will get 40 degrees. Similarly here, 180 minus 90 plus 40, it will give me 50 degrees. So now let's look again. Can we prove these two triangles are equal? Here I have 40 equal to 40. I have an adjacent side 5 equal to 5 and 50 is equal to 50. So yes, these two triangles are equal by angle, side, angle. I choose the elements that are consecutive or that are adjacent to each other. Angle, side, angle, beside each other. Now let's move to part D. Are these two triangles equal? Here I have 40, here I have 40, here I have 60, here I have 60, and here I have 4, here I have 4. Are these two triangles equal? What do you think? No, of course no. Why? Here I have angle, side, angle, but here I don't have angle, side, angle. The side is not adjacent between these two angles. Okay, if you think in another way, can I find this angle? Yes, 40 plus 60, it's 100, so here it's 80. Similarly, 60 plus 40, so here it's 80. Now I have a side between two angles, but look, here I have 40, here I have 60, Here I have 4, here I have 4, here I have 60, here I have 60. Okay, so 60 is equal to 60. 4 is equal to 4, but 40 is not equal to 80. So these two triangles are not equal. Why? Because the two equal sides, this one, I have the problem with this one. This 4 must be here between the two equal respectively sides. So these two triangles are not equal because the given side in the second triangle I have here, the problem is not adjacent to the two given angles. This 4 must be included between these two angles. Okay, now let's start with exercise number 14. Part A. Give the coded properties in the following figure. The coded properties are the given properties that they have codes. Okay, if you look at the figure, you are going to notice that AB is equal to BC. Here I have 90 degrees, here I have 90 degrees, and here I have 90 degrees. So the angles which are AEB and BFC and ABC, they are equal to 90 degrees. And here I have angle ABE is equal to 30 degrees. Part B. Find the angles of the triangles ABE and BCF. So I want to find the angles in each triangle. And you have to know that in each triangle, I have 3 angles. So let's start. Starting with triangle ABE. We have in this triangle ABE, we have first of all, AEB is 90 degrees, ABE is 30 degrees. How can I find the third angle? You know that the sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees, so EAB is 180 minus 30 plus 90, which is 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degrees, due to the property which says that the sum of angles in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now let's move to the second triangle, which is triangle BCF. I know that this angle is 90 degrees. I still want to find the missing angles, which are this angle and this angle. Can you find the measure of these two angles? Here I can't use the property which says that the sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees because I don't know the measure of the second angle. But look to angle EBF. What can you say about the angle EBF? EBF is a straight angle. So its measure is 180 degrees. This one is 30. This one is 90. What is the measure of this angle? So this one will be 180 degrees. So to find the angle which is FBC, we make 180 degrees, the straight angle, minus 30 plus 90, which is 180 minus 120, which give me 60 degrees. So the measure of angle FBC is 60 degrees. Let's write it down. Here it's 60 degrees. Now, can you find the measure of this angle? Yes, we know that the sum of angles in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So, BCF is 180 degrees minus the sum of the other two angles, which is equal to 30 degrees. So, this angle is 30 degrees. Now, I finished finding the angles in the two triangles. Now, moving to part C. Part C asks us to prove that the triangles ABE and BCF are equal. We want to prove these triangles are equal. Now let's look to these two triangles. What do we have? We have here 60 is equal to here 60. Here I have side AB is equal to side BC, and angle 30 is equal to angle 30, and I have 90 is equal to 90. But I have to choose consecutive elements which are adjacent to each other. So in part C, starting in the two triangles which are ABE and BCF, we have EAB is equal to FBC is equal to 60 degrees. Proved. I already find these angles. And I have AB is equal to BC. Given. They already gave us these two sides. And I have ABE is equal to BCF equal to 30 degrees. Proved. I found these angles. Then these two triangles are equal by angle, side, angle. Then they told us to find the homologous elements. We said that the homologous elements, after proving two triangles are equal, so the remaining elements, the remaining corresponding elements are equal. So the homologous elements are the remaining elements. They are opposite to these elements, so they are side, angle, side. We proved that EAB is equal to FBC. So what is the opposite side of angle A? It's EB, equal to the opposite side of this angle, which is FBC. Which side? FC. So EB is equal to FC. And we have this angle, we didn't use it. Angle E is equal to angle F equal to 90 degrees. And the remaining side facing 30s. This is 30. Facing side is AE. This is 30. The facing side is BF. So AE is equal to BF. By this, we finished our session. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.